How you doing today? Kevin Black here with Jones Technical Institute. Today I'm going to show you how, or explain to you how the refrigerant machine works. In this case I have a Bosch ACS 620H. It does R134A type refrigerant. Now a few basic functions or gadgets that this refrigerant machine has is the high pressure side gauge, the low pressure side gauge, the on-off switch, the oil collector or oil reservoir, which comes back when you recycle a AC system. It pulls out a little bit of oil at the same time. You have two types of lines. You have the high pressure side line, which is indicated by red, and the low pressure side line, which is indicated by blue. Now, the high pressure side line fitting is bigger than the low pressure side fitting, so you can't get them mixed up. They only go on, the high only goes on the high. It can't interchange with going on the low side. It can only go on the high side. Now there are three basic functions that you can use while using an AC machine. You have the recycle option, which would be you have your high and low side hooked up. You go ahead and press recycle, and then what it's going to do is it's going to recycle the amount of freon that or refrigerant that the car has at the time and store it into its own refrigerant container down on the machine. You also have the option to do a vacuum. Now what a vacuum does is it sucks out all the air or moisture in the lines where the freon or refrigerant would go through, and it keeps it in working or tip-top shape, making sure when the vacuum is applied it sucks out everything, so you can test to see where leaks happen or if there are any hissing noises where there could be possible leaks. Now you have the charge side, which after you've done and recycled the refrigerant and put a vacuum on your lines to make sure everything's good, you can then charge the system with the proper amount, which is usually indicated on the front of the car or the hood, which tells you how much refrigerant in pounds or ounces that you can put into the system without overcharging it.